Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Discover the top 5 drones of 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology, stunning camera capabilities, and unmatched performance. Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, these drones redefine what's possible in aerial photography and adventure. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate compact drone for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its lightweight design, impressive flight time, and advanced features, this drone redefines portability and performance. Compact and lightweight, weighing under 249 grams, it's ultra-portable and doesn't require FAA registration in many regions. 4K camera, capture stunningly detailed footage with the 4K HDR camera, perfect for creating cinematic videos and high-quality photos. Flight time, enjoy up to 34 minutes of uninterrupted flight, making it ideal for extended exploration and capturing the perfect shot. Omnidirectional sensing, with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, flying has never been safer or more beginner-friendly. 20 km video transmission, the drone boasts an impressive 20 km range for clear, high-definition live video feeds. Ease of use, the DJI RC2 controller and intuitive controls make flying a breeze, even for those. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is agile, responsive, and stable, even in moderate winds. The omnidirectional sensing ensures smooth navigation in complex environments, while the high-quality video transmission allows real-time monitoring with minimal lag. Whether you're an aspiring aerial photographer or just looking for a reliable, fun drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers outstanding value. Its combination of portability, advanced features, and user-friendly design makes it a standout in its class. Number 4. Holystone HS900. Holystone HS900, a 249G GPS drone designed for seamless aerial photography and videography. This compact drone is equipped with a 4K camera capable of capturing stunning 48MP photos and recording 4K videos at 30 FPS. Plus, the 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures your footage remains smooth and stable, even in breezy conditions. With a remarkable 20,000-foot transmission range, you can explore vast distances while maintaining real-time control and video feed. Its visual tracking and follow me mode allow it to autonomously follow you, making it ideal for action shots and hands-free filming. The smart return feature brings the drone back safely with the press of a button or when the battery runs low. It's perfect for peace of mind during long flights. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, the Holystone HS900 is a fantastic choice for aerial adventures. Lightweight, reliable, and packed with advanced features, it's your gateway to stunning visuals from above. Number 3. DJI Neo. DJI Neo Mini Drone, a 135G marvel that packs advanced features into a compact and stylish design. Let's explore what makes this drone a game-changer for both beginners and enthusiasts. One of its standout features is palm takeoff, making it truly controller-free. Simply let it take flight from your hand, and you're ready to go. Thanks to AI subject tracking, the DJI Neo intelligently follows your every move. Whether you're running, biking, or just strolling, this drone keeps up effortlessly. Capture stunning 4K UHD videos with stabilized footage. The Neo ensures your memories are as smooth as they are breathtaking. Unleash your creativity with quick shots. These cinematic presets let you create professional-grade footage with a single tap. The built-in propeller guards protect both the drone and your surroundings, making it perfect for indoor flights too. At just 135G, the DJI Neo is light, versatile, and packed with features. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, this mini drone is your perfect companion for capturing life's moments. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. DJI Air 2S, the ultimate all-in-one drone for creators and explorers. Packed with advanced features, this compact powerhouse takes your aerial photography to new heights. At the heart of the Air 2S is a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 20MP photos and 5.4K video. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. With 4-directional obstacle sensing, you can fly with confidence. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or filming fast-moving subjects, the Air 2S has you covered. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time per charge and a remarkable 12 km video transmission range, giving you the freedom to capture more without limits. And with FAA Remote ID compliance, the DJI Air 2S is ready for the skies with added peace of mind. Number 1. DJI Avatar 2. DJI Avatar 2 Fly More Combo, a drone designed to bring your aerial dreams to life. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, it promises an immersive experience for drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. The Avatar 2 boasts a robust, lightweight design with built-in propeller guards for added safety. It's perfect for exploring tight spaces or taking bold flight paths. Equipped with a 4K camera, the Avatar 2 captures crystal-clear footage with vibrant colors and smooth motion. Whether you're documenting landscapes or creating dynamic POV content, this drone delivers every time. And with its easy flip and roll capabilities, the Avatar 2 adds flair to your flights, a feature that's as fun to execute as it is to watch. The Fly More combo ensures extended flight time with an additional battery, so the fun doesn't have to stop. Take your creativity to new heights with the DJI Avatar 2 Fly More combo, where innovation meets adventure. Thanks for watching our review of the 5 best drones on Amazon for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these picks have something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite drone.